Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a mail business account in IONOS. The first thing I want you to do is log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top, click on menu, and then select email from right here. And it will redirect you right here to your email portfolio. I want you to select your domain for which you want to set up a mail business account. Okay, so here I want you to come to the top right, click on create email address. Okay. Click on this and then it will ask you to choose what type. So here I already have the plan for mail business, so I can just click on create. Or if you don't have the plan yet, you need to click on to the order and purchase that plan. And then it will take you again right here. And then you click on create. Okay. And now what I want you to do is just go ahead and enter the email right here, the first string, and select the domain. So I'll just leave this domain right here and let me add the first string. So I've typed this in and then you can go ahead and add the password you want for this. Okay. And then if you want, you can add forwarding as well. You can go ahead and toggle these additional options as well if you would like. But otherwise, you can just come here and click on save. And as you can see right here, our business email has actually been created. And as you can see right here, as you can see, this one is mail business, right? That's the type. And that is how to set up a mail business account in IONOS.